guys, I'm going to do the giveaway here for the Lather Me Up giveaway on Facebook. And here are, I'm going to do this through random.org. So here were the entries. There was 25 of them. So there they are. And what I've done is I've taken the names and I have listed them all out here. Each name received a number. There was 25 of them. So they're in no particular order. They just go 1 through 25. You can see all of them here. I've just handwritten them out on this piece of paper. There's 20. Let me flip it over. There's 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. So, now we're going to go to random.org here. Okay, here's random.org, and we're going to put in, we want to choose a number, a random number between 1 and 25. And it's number 13, lucky number 13. So who was number 13 on the list? Jessica Collins, I think it's Chocolatier, Chocolatier, or Chocolatier, maybe it's just Chocolatier. So anyway, Jessica, let's see here, let's go back. I just want to see what you picked for choices here, because I'm curious. Okay. Once Bitten, Secret Crush, and Oh So Yummy. Ooh, those are all really good choices. So, really exciting. Jessica, everybody, thank you so much for entering. I really appreciate the support, and I hope it was fun for you guys. And when we get to another 100, when we get to 400, we'll do another Lather Me Up giveaway. But Jessica, congratulations, and just contact me with your information on where you want your winnings sent to. And all of those are in stock, I believe. I believe they are. I'll double check, but I believe all those are in stock, so you should be all set. All right, thanks so much, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.